the Beachwalk Mall in the beauty of Bali, where paradise meets shopping, culinary, and recreation. The Beachwalk Mall is one of the biggest malls in Bali, providing a good ambience. The perfect destination for both tourists and locals. Step inside and you will find many unique Balinese souvenirs. Whether you're looking for designer fashion or unique handcrafted souvenirs, you will discover it all here. The Beachwalk Mall food cart is a culinary delight. Savor authentic Balinese dishes, international flavors, and fresh seafood while enjoying panoramic ocean views. The Beachwalk Mall is the best place to make you feel the vibrancy of Bali. Whether you are a shopper, a foodie, or someone who simply wants to soak up the island's unique vibe, Beachwalk Mall is the perfect destination for you. So, if you find yourself in Bali, don't miss the opportunity to explore the magic of the Beachwalk Mall. Subscribe for more travel inspiration and stay tuned for our next adventure in this tropical paradise. Don't forget to like and subscribe and feel free to give a comment. Melanesia TripAdvice, life, love, and travel.